Initially, it was a matter of we need to understand how the business is doing. We already had some indications, but it wasn't a full picture. When we embarked on this journey with Tahola, we had a specific set of KPIs, of numbers that we wanted to see, to analyze, to understand. Over time, that continued evolving, where a lot of my colleagues were using different Excel spreadsheets and various methods to try to crunch the data to arrive to a specific output. And at one point in time, we decided we need to abolish spreadsheets. We needed to consolidate everything within our business intelligence systems, and that's where we embarked on the second phase of our project with Tahola, which looked at how the business operates in terms of the daily KPIs, the daily dashboards that each individual in business needs. A lot of members in the team were operating on various spreadsheets, but as the company evolved, these spreadsheets were moving on to other people. Because these spreadsheets weren't being operated by the original people that designed them, it was very difficult to comprehend or to make any amendments or changes to them. So it was becoming increasingly difficult to operate off these Excel spreadsheets for our daily tasks. Therefore, we decided to go down the route of abolishing all these different spreadsheets, consolidating them into a single dashboard, a single source of truth. Within the company, the single source of truth is one place, one warehouse where all the data is connected together, and there is one dashboard that everybody operates off. There is no ambiguity in where these numbers are coming from, what numbers we're using, and Tahola were instrumental in getting there. So it's not about just getting the right data to the right people, but it's about getting the right data to everybody at the right time. As the company grew, as we started using more data, my role has now become more the hoarder of data rather than the person pushing for others to use the data. There is a culture in the company that the data comes first. Everything we do is based on information, on the single source of truth.